Hi guys, it's Jana, and today I end up potting up some cacti because I heard that we are about to get a hurricane, so I kind of panicked and started looking for pots and repotting these cacti because I don't want them flying around my patio because they are in little tiny pots, you guys, and I wasn't planning on repotting them, but I don't want to lose them, and I am not gonna bring a bunch of little pots inside my house. So first one I have is from friend Myra. She gave me this big cacti and it fits perfect in this IKEA pot. So I have this separated on this one pot because it is a big cacti and it's growing, you guys. Look at how big it got. So again, thank you so much, Myra. And I just kind of rushed around on potting this and added some sand and sprinkled some of my shells that I have extra from my other projects before. So good thing I have extra shells. I was gonna put rocks on them, but I think it kind of look cute with this little tiny baby shells in here. It's like little tiny eyes little tiny eyelids, so cute. So this is for this for now. So if you guys know the name of this cacti, please let me know. And it is so beautiful and it's getting bigger. Those the tips that are dark green, I think those are the new growth, you guys. It is happy in my patio, so I hope the hurricane won't come and this will continue growing out here. But if the hurricane comes, I'm gonna bring them inside because I don't want to lose them. So here's for this baby in this single pot. Now the next one is the medium pot that I have. So I have 3 plants that I repotted, 3 types, 3 different sizes. So this one are from Florida Cactus. These are a bunch of them. If you watch my other video, I have a haul and I have some names of them. One video in my first haul I don't have the names because I don't really know what they are yet. So this is you guys commented that I have some gymnocalyciums in Mammalaria, so they are beautiful and I hope I could find the name soon and added it to my other videos when I do an update. So I'm just rushing, you guys, because I don't want my cacti to get hurt. So I put them in this bowl, so hopefully they'll be happy here because there is no drainage on this glass bowl here. But I like the way the glass looks with the cacti inside, and I added these 3 things here, the purple rocks or coral because it looked cute in there and my son likes those too. That was his rocks or corals, so I forgot the name on that one. But here's my other shells that I just sprinkled around to make it look fun because it was just rocks and sand, so I figured out throwing the shells around it would look cute, or you guys might think it's a little bit chaotic too because I put too much. But anyways, that's what I came up for today because I want it to look fun looking with lots of colors, and by the time hopefully this will flower and I'll get a lot of beautiful blooms on this one. Look at this mama cacti here with 3 babies. So beautiful, so cute looking. I need to clean them up too and kinda clean some of them because there's a lot of sand flowing here, and I think that's another bloom right there. So I have a picture of this one bloom and I'm gonna insert that here, but hopefully I can find that one. That was a pretty color bloom. So here are some that I like. This one, it doesn't look pokey and I didn't really get hurt repotting these babies. So that's for this type of cacti in this glass bowl. So the next bowl I'm gonna show you. Now this one is in this tin can and it's the large planter that I have. So This is in a tin planter with drainage hole, and this is the cacti that I got from Florida Cactus and from my friend Vericent here in YouTube. Thank you so much, Vericent. Your cactus, your blue torch cactus is growing happy, and it gotten so big since, and it's so happy here, and I love how beautiful it is. Look at how blue that is, you guys. I hope I could show you properly how pretty this cactus. So beautiful, you guys, and it is growing with, look at the spikes right there. So cool looking. I had to use a glove though because I didn't want to get pricked, but so beautiful, you guys. Just look at that. So pretty, and it goes perfect together with this moon cactus. So I lined them up, the three of them here, and it looks so beautiful with the purple, yellow, and the blue. So that's for, this is the moon cactus. So in my other video, if you watch my previous video of my haul, so there is a name on this moon cactus and a bunch of these cacti in here that are tiny. So those are the pretty ones right here. Babies, look at the babies. Look at this one baby right here. Look at that pretty baby. And here is the agave, and the other one here I have is this right here. The other one here, it is baby. So pretty. One of this here have 3 babies, so it has a baby right there, 2 in the other side somewhere right there, buried with the sand right there. I need to fix that poor little baby. I hope this will bloom more because it did bloom, and I think that's the last bud. It looks like it, so hopefully there's more coming up. So pretty. So here is, I like that one too. This is the one with bunch of ants that came with it, and that's all for now. And just like the other ones that I did, I kinda throw and sprinkle a bunch of shells in here and few stones. And I like this one. This is what I like. This one right here. It looked like a fan right there. I love that shell. It looks like a fan. And this one here too, and this one, another one right there. And I just love the specks on that. See the little different texture on that little shell. So I love having it decorated with a bunch of shells and look like in the ocean. So cool looking. So I hope you like this short video, and next time I will do potting up because I think some of you like it. I was just rushing. I was rushing today because I don't want to lose them or get blown away during the hurricane. So these are probably gonna go in our house in case the hurricane comes. So here are these cacti that I have so far, and I just finally repotted them. All of these cacti that I got from Florida Cactus and from my friends. So I do have a lot more plants, you guys, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. So if the hurricane don't come, then I get a cleaner shelf, right? Because I potted them in groups. Okay guys, this is it for now. I hope you like this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planting. Bye bye.